Pulit ka West Khasi Hills kata Ubikram Marak Superintendent of Police, uba Hubert Kharkongor Additional SP, uba S Kharmandai Officer in Charge jangko Nongston, ringkat ki Officer jangko Women Police, kilahyar syakashnong Tiehsaw West Khasi Hills, ban penong i kajinya kendu ya kador bar shnong bat ki Paidbah, nakabenta ban Pynkup Burom, halor kajingla jangki rang bat shnong ban tek lakam me kajingki bitar jangki Paidbah, hakapor bakakong wan saralin wan nyang, kalasya penyap dusmon halau jong ukurim. Kumban pen kan mau bahak artarik menta ubenai ubiang kupar nong sit nakashnong lause ulok barim jong ketika long kemi ulawan syayang hakapor hendu shiteng janmit bat ulara ru bat kawat hakakti bat haba ulapoi haphalau ularung jubor hapo yeng bat ulapom ya kalok jong u da ketika wat naki benta ka kli bat haba kala kalon hamadan ru sange henry ulapom hadu bakala klat no hasyan haba kipat ba kashnong kila yo jingtip kila khi bitar lep bat kila poi krui bat kila temu ban syok bandat bat bom shnong ye ute urunar henry kirang bat shnong ringkat usordar ki badang bat ye ute urunar kila la ban tem ban penjai-jai bat pentip no wut syaki bor pulit wat la ki pulit kila wan poi hadin katuk ane poru kirang bat shnong kim Shim la Ailad ki Paidbah bakin Shim ya ka an halade kumta ka Tnad Pulit kala ai ka jingyaro bat kala Pynkup Burom ya ka dor bar shnong.
The only few words I wanted to say, the work, the deeds which this Dorbar had shown is an exemplary work which is shown to the world in fight against crime against women. But unfortunately, yes, it is regret to say that we lose two precious lives. But at the same time, with your help, with the cooperation from the Dorbar, we managed to get the perpetrator, which is very much more important. And like I was discussing in the DC chamber also, yes, from our department side, we assure not 100%, 110%. We will ensure that this perpetrator get maximum of imprisonment for the wrongdoings that he has done. And this will set an example in the society that anybody who have a bad intention will not dare to do it next time. And for all your cooperation, as a small token of love, we have met a certificate of appreciation and a monetary token of love to be given to the Dorbar for the cooperation that you have given us in curtailing the crime, which is very important for us, for the police. That is how we build the relationship, police-public relationship. And I want to stress a little bit more on the drugs scenario, the dangerous point which is coming up and engulfing our youths. See, don't just pass the burden to the police. Every time my son, my children are drug addicts, they call the police thana. It should not be like that. You notice any unusual things in your children, immediately try to talk to your son, to your daughter. Normally what happens, we ignore our children because yes, I understand we are in the busy world. Everybody is busy. We are engaged in our daily works. We go out, we come home late. What our children are doing sometimes, since we are tired, we tend to sideline. But as an SP, I am requesting all the parents, please monitor and do surveillance on your children. If they are going out with whom? If they are staying outside, staying out with whom? Little bit of caring should be given to them. If you see any unusual things, talk to them, counsel to them, and I do agree with doctor that bring it to the notice of the Dorbar or the senior citizens in the village so that we can counsel them. We can show them the good path. If it is very extreme, we can give them the medical help, rehabilitation help. So these are the things which are required if anyone has gone into the addiction mode. Because this addiction leads to small crimes and leads to big crimes.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center